Pi is a mystical, irrational constant. It has always fascinated us. But do you know exactly what is it? How did it emerge? What is its history? Added with some mind-blowing facts, this is the video titled as Life of Pi. No matter how big is your circle or how small, always on dividing the circumference with its diameter, you will get the constant pi. See here, the circumference when divided by its diameter is a little bigger, just 3 times of it, and that's the exact value, and that is the reason why pi is a little bigger than 3, that is 3.14, and it goes on till infinity. 22nd of July is celebrated as the Pi approximation day. You wonder why? Look at the date, you will get it. 7 is the number we use to denote July. That's it, you get it. Now let's deep dive into the history of pi. Maybe the concept of pi has emerged much before, but the records that we find today are that around 1650 BCE, Egyptians wrote papyrus. An early approximation of pi is recorded as 3.1605. In 1800 BCE, Babylonians approximated pi as 3.125. In 250 BCE, Archimedes developed the first known theoretical calculation of pi using inscribed and circumscribed polygons, estimating it to be between 3.1408 and 3.1429. In 150 CE, Claudius Ptolemy used a value of pi equal to 3.1416. In 476 CE to 550 CE, Aryabhatta calculated pi to be approximately 3.1416 by using the value 62,832 divided by 20,000. Brahmagupta also provided various approximation of pi, including root 10, which is approximately 3.162, around the time period of 600 CE. In the Middle Ages, 480 CE, Zhu Chongzi from China calculated pi to be between 3.1415926 and 3.1415927 using a 12,288 sided polygon. Around 800 to 850 CE, Al-Khwarizmi in his work provided an approximation of pi as 3.1416. Around 1340 to 1425, Madhava of Sangamagram found a series to calculate pi, now known as the Madhava-Leibniz series, as calculated to pi to 11 decimal places. Ludolf van Keulen in 1596 calculated pi to 35 decimal places. In 1706, John Machine from England developed a rapidly converging series for pi, calculating it to 100 decimal places. In 1768 to 1774, Johann Lambert proved that pi is irrational. In 1882, Ferdinand von Lindemann proved that pi is transcendental, not just irrational. In 1910s, Srinivas Ramanujan discovered rapidly converging series for pi, which were later used in computer algorithms. John von Neumann and ENIAC first computer-based calculation of pi to 2037 decimal places was done in 1949. In 2019, Emma Haruka Iwao from Google set a record by calculating pi to 31.4 trillion digits using Google Cloud. And in 2023, Google extended the record to 105 trillion digits using advanced cloud computing resources. So, why do we need to approximate pi? Pi is crucial for calculations involving circles and spheres. Engineers and architects use pi to design buildings and structures. Scientists apply pi in physics to and oscillations. Even in technology, pi helps in algorithms for computer graphics and simulations. Pi isn't just for basic geometry, it's used in calculating areas and volumes of complex shapes, analyzing sound waves, and even in the formulas by Einstein. Without pi, our understanding of the universe would be incomplete. Do you know formulas for probabilities and statistics also include pi? Now, pi is a constant that continues to intrigue and inspire, as it is transcendental, as it is irrational. Now, I must say you have celebrated Pi Approximation Day by exploring its mysteries and marvels. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do like this video, share with your friends, and if you wanna watch more such content, then subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.